you have really bad allergies like me and you cough like so bad, I have this horrendous cough, well, I'm going to be telling you something that will relieve your cough. So you can just drink honey. This is so good for you, and it's good for your cough. But if you don't like it, you can mix it with warm water, just a tablespoon of this in warm water, and it makes like this delicious tea. So it definitely helps my cough, and I hope it helps yours.